Good morning, students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all in today's lecture, that is module number 1, video number 5. In previous class, we discussed personality development as a process. It is a continuous process, so we discussed how this process works or how this process is there. Today, we shall discuss the examination or how the personality is examined and differentiated on 6 core dimensions. These dimensions helps us to judge or to examine the human personality. In that first point is energy. Now many a times we use this word energy. Energy means not only to fight physically, but here energy is something urge to do with enthusiasm or with immediate effect. So this energy is being considered as one of the dimension to examine the personality. If you see the examples like Mahatma Gandhi ji, they were continuously energetic in fighting against the Britishers. Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sukhdev, Rajguru, all these people were energetic and they were continuously ready for the task for the freedom fight. Similarly, if you see Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he gets up at 4, he sleeps only for 4 hours, but he is so energetic that his schedule is continuously busy. So, energy, it is very difficult to define, but the enthusiasm to work or the fastness or the speed to work, we can call it as energy. Defining energy is difficult, but if you want to define energy, we need to enter into science and all. So instead of going in that way, we shall see that the enthusiasm of work or how we are grasping the things and responding to that. So here in personality, the energy plays very important role. After that, second point or second dimension of examining personality is direction. Direction means only having the energy is not enough. This energy need to be directed or channelized in a proper way. If we fail to channelize our energy, definitely we will fail in our life. So we should use our energy in a proper direction so that we achieve the required growth. So this direction involves positive direction or negative, positive attitude or negative attitude. If we have positive attitude, we will be working towards the positive things with energy without thinking negative aspects. But if we have negative attitude, at that point of time, we will not direct our energy towards the good things. For example, we will see if a person is positive, he will invest his time, money, and energy in studies, in playing, in sports, rather than putting in bad habits and bad things. But if the attitude is negative, the person will move towards the bad things and lose his energy. So direction plays very important role in using the attitude in a positive way or negative way. After that, third dimension we have is values. In India, more importance is being given to values. Values means how we behave, how we live in the society. The various beliefs and values followed from our ancestors have been passed on till us. So these values are considered one of the important dimension in examining the personality. So these values consists of how we speak, how we respect the elders, how we encourage our juniors, how we respect our parents, how we behave with women or children. So all these aspects are, say, considered under values. So these values are being considered as one of the important dimension for personality examining. After that we have depth. Depth, it consists of manners, behavior, character, personality of an individuality. Now manners means in what way we move, how we interact, how we respect, all these things considered under manners. So these values, manners, or everything reflects from our behavior in the society, in the company, or in the house. So the depth of behavior reflects our personality. After that, character. Character means the person's attitude or his way of thinking is reflected. So put together, the personality consists of everything: manners, behavior, energy, etc., etc. And everything is calculated on individuality basis. How an individual behaves, how he behaves in team. So everything is checked in depth or depth of the personality while examining it. After that we have consciousness. Consciousness means the well-beingness. Now this consciousness is being treated or divided in three things: physical, vital and mental. Now physical consciousness means what? Physically, whether the person is moving, whether it is impacting or no. Physically, if any part of the body is damaged or what. Physically, whether he is conscious or no. Shuddhit ahi ki nahi physically. These things are considered under physical consciousness. Vital means the consciousness in nervous system of our body. So all these things considered under vital consciousness. And after that, most important thing is mental consciousness and mental development. If we are mentally strong, then we can achieve anything. Therefore, a person should be mentally conscious. If a person is not mentally conscious, we treat him as what he may not achieve the growth in life. So therefore, a person should be physically conscious, vitally conscious and mentally conscious with the mental development. So therefore, consciousness is also one of the important dimension of determining the personality. Last but not the least, the strength. How the person is having the strength, what are his areas of strength, in what areas the person is good, everything is being calculated. Suppose a cricket player, what is his strength? If he is a batsman, which shot is his strength? Whether the running between the wickets is his strength, whatever it is, these kind of strengths are being considered. If a person is an accountant, what is his strength? In costing, in financial accounting, corporate accounting, whatever it is. So likewise, perfection or perfectness of one person in any area or his strengths have been considered here. So these are the 6 core dimensions in examining the personality of an individual. With this, we shall stop here. On behalf of Dashera Navratri, I wish you all happy Dashera. May Lord Durga give you all health, wealth and joy in your life. With this, we shall stop here. Good day. Thank you.